Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into GitHub Enterprise in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to GitHub or transitioning to the Enterprise version, don't worry, the process is simple. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and head to www.github.com. This is always your starting point whenever you're working with GitHub. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click it. Now, you're on the login page. Here, simply enter your username or email address and then your password. After that, hit enter and you'll be taken straight to your GitHub dashboard. If your login was successful, you should now see your GitHub dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access repositories, notifications, and all your activity. Take a moment to get familiar with this space since it's where you'll be doing most of your work. Next, for enterprise users, look for the section labeled Try Enterprise. You'll usually find it on your dashboard or in the account navigation. Click on this option to begin. From here, you'll see an option to Get Started. Clicking this will guide you through the setup process for GitHub Enterprise. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, fill in your details, choose your preferences, and make sure everything matches your organization's requirements. And that's it. You've successfully logged into GitHub and started setting up your enterprise account. From here, you'll have access to advanced collaboration tools, stronger security, and powerful features designed for teams and organizations. Remember, if you run into any issues while setting up your enterprise account, don't hesitate to reach out to your organization's GitHub administrator. They'll have the exact configuration details you need. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to log into GitHub Enterprise. If you found this guide useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!